Hey, listen carefully. Today, I'm going to walk you through a real online business you can start with no money, no experience, and no tech skills, and still build predictable recurring income from home. This is the same business model I've shown to countless people, and it's the same system I personally use to generate daily revenue online. It works because it solves real problems for real businesses, not because of hype, not because of loopholes, and definitely not because of guru fantasies. And before we go anywhere, put your wallet away. I don't sell courses, I don't sell coaching programs, and you won't find a button that asks you for money. If you want deeper training, templates, and a live workshop, I give those away for free. If you simply like the video, subscribe, and comment free course, I'll send you a private link to my full step-by-step program and my live Zoom workshop worth $97, all for free. Now let's get into it. Whenever I look for a new business to start, I don't reinvent the wheel. I look for a proven business, a business already doing millions, a business with real customers and real demand. And today, we are going to clone one of the strongest models in the market. There's a company called Weave Communications. They're publicly traded, they're valued at almost $1 billion. Why? Because they solve a simple problem for small local businesses. More clients, more reviews, more appointments, faster communication. And they charge these businesses $300 to $500 per month every single month. Now here's the part everyone misses. You don't need to code anything. You don't need a team of developers. You don't need a big budget. Because the entire system they're selling, you can sell too. And you can do it by white labeling software that's already built. Think of this like Netflix. A dentist, a real estate agent, a chiropractor, a gym owner, they all pay monthly for software that helps them run their business. As long as they keep paying, they keep access. If they stop paying, access shuts off. That's recurring revenue. That's predictable cash flow. That's how these companies become billion-dollar giants. But here's the opportunity. Local businesses desperately need tools that reply to leads automatically, collect 5-star reviews, schedule appointments, capture website leads, organize contacts, post content, run automations. They are drowning in manual work. They don't know where their leads are coming from. They don't follow up correctly. They lose clients because they respond too late. That's where you come in. And this is where AI becomes the leverage. Instead of building your own platform, you simply white label an existing SaaS. That means your logo, your domain, your branding, your pricing, your customers, your recurring revenue. You own the business. The platform does the heavy lifting. Inside your software, you offer the same features billion-dollar companies sell without spending years building them. Let me show you how the core tools work. Number 1, conversations, AI-powered inbox. Businesses lose money because they reply late. Your platform fixes that. Every message from Instagram, WhatsApp, email, SMS, Facebook, and the website arrives in one inbox. AI replies instantly. Follow-ups happen automatically. No staff needed. Number 2, reputation automation. Every local business needs 5-star reviews. Your platform sends automated review requests, tracks ratings, and responds instantly to new reviews. This alone can be sold as a $297 per month service. Number 3, calendars and online booking. Dentists, gyms, coaches, every appointment-based business struggles with no-shows. Your software handles booking, reminders, reschedules, confirmations. Again, fully automated. 4, websites and funnels. You can create landing pages, contact forms, booking pages, and full websites with drag and drop simplicity. And here's the simple math. Charge each client $300 per month. 10 clients is equal to $3,000 per month. 30 clients is equal to $9,000 per month. 100 clients is equal to $30,000 per month. Your cost for the entire platform? around $97 to $297 per month depending on the plan you choose. You keep 100% of the profit. No commissions, no rev share, no extra fees. This is why agencies and online businesses love this model. High margins, low maintenance, recurring cash flow. Here's what you do next. Go to launchyoursoftware.com. Start your extended 30-day free trial. Import the pre-built templates. Set your pricing. Add your logo and branding. Join the free workshop. Get your one-on-one kickoff call. Launch your first client package. Everything is already built. You're not coding anything. You're simply packaging a proven solution for local businesses who already need it. If you want the 30-day extended trial, one-on-one onboarding call, my weekly coaching, FCA members area, and my 3-day, 3-week, 3-month, 3-year game plan. Just like this video, subscribe and comment free course. Why is all this free? Because I run an agency, not a guru business. Everything is free. No upsells, no hidden charges, no surprise paywalls. This video is sponsored by launchyoursoftware.com. If you want your own white label AI software with automation, CRM, workflows, conversation AI, and all the tools we just used, go to launchyoursoftware.com. Join the live Zoom workshop worth $97 for free. Just real tools and real systems to help you start your own online business the right way. I'll see you inside the workshop. Don't forget to subscribe.